Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to start with a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Clever Fred. But children, before we start the chapter, there is a puzzle for you. Now, what do you have to do? You have to find the things which are given in this box in the puzzle. So, you have to find out the names of the things including sugarcane, banana, honey, carrot, nuts, grass. Now, grass is already encircled, right? So, we have to find out the other words from the puzzle. Now, let's find out where sugarcane is written. Let's see. Here it is. Sugarcane, right? So, let's circle it. Sugarcane, right? Next, we have banana. Now, let's find out banana. Where is it? Yes, here it is. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Let's circle it. Next, we have honey. Can you find out honey, children? Where is honey given? Find it out. Here it is. H-O-N-E-Y, honey. Next, we have carrot. Found. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Now, what is left, children? Nuts. Now, where is nuts given? Found. Here it is. N-U-T-S, nuts. Okay, children? So, we have found all the things in the puzzle. Now, let's start with the story. What is the name of the lesson, children? Clever Fred. Now, children, this is a story of a tiger and a frog. Okay? So, it's a story of a tiger and a frog. The name of the tiger is Tony. Okay? And the name of the frog is Fred. Okay? So, now let's start with the story. Tony, the tiger, is feeling hungry. He is looking for food. He roars loudly. Now, one day, Tony was feeling hungry and he wanted to eat something. Now, as he was hungry, what did he do? He roared loudly. Now, children, roar means what? It means to make a loud sound. Okay? So, the tiger, Tony, was hungry. So, he roared loudly. बहुत जोर से वो चिल्लाया. Children, what happens when you feel hungry? What happens? Your mother gives you food and then your hunger is no more there. Children, do you know that tiger is a wild animal? And wild animals, they have to search their food and find it. Do you know what does the tiger eat? The tiger eats meat. It hunts other animals and eat them. टाइगर क्या करता है? वो दूसरे एनिमल्स को हंट करता है, किल करता है and then it eats them. So children, here in this story, as Tony is so hungry, he roams around the forest. Tony, I'm very hungry. I want to eat something. Tony roams around the forest. He reaches a pond. He sees many frogs. So children, Tony is so hungry. Okay, he's very hungry. So he roams around the forest. Now roam means what? It means to walk. So Tony roams around the forest, but he doesn't get anything to eat. And then what happens? At last he reaches a pond. Can you see this here, children? What is it? It's a pond. And in the pond, Tony sees many frogs. Tony, oh, what a lot of frogs! I will catch the fat one. He cannot run away from me. Now Tony becomes very happy and he says to himself, oh, what a lot of frogs! I'll catch the fat one and eat it. Tony pounces on Fred, a fat frog, and catches him. Now Tony pounces on Fred and catches him. And Fred gets scared, but he was very clever. He thought of a plan to escape from Tony. Now pounces means what? Pounce means to jump or move quickly in order to catch something. So Tony pounces on Fred so that he could catch him. Now Fred was the name of the frog. Now Fred was very clever. Although he was scared, but he was so clever that he thought of a plan to escape from Tony. So Fred says to Tony, please wait, Mr. Tiger. I'm not clean. I have dirt on me. Let me wash myself. Then you can eat me. Tony, go and wash yourself. Come back soon. I'm very hungry. So children, Fred, the frog, tells Tiger that he is not clean and he has dirt on himself. So he tells Tony that let me wash myself and then you can eat me. Now Tony thinks that he will get a clean fat frog. So he lets Fred free. Now what does Fred do? Do you know? टोनी ने फ्रेड से क्या कहा था कि ठीक है तुम अपने आप को वॉश करने के लिए जा सकते हो बट प्लीज कम बैक सून बिकॉज आई एम वेरी हंग्री नाउ फ्रेड becomes free. So, and in the meantime, Tony is happy. He would like to eat a clean fat frog. Now, Tony क्या समझ रहा है? He is thinking that Fred will come back and he will get to eat a clean fat frog. Fred jumps into the pond and swims away. Fred, bye Mr. Tiger. Thank you for letting me go. Now children, what does Fred do? When Tony lets Fred to go, Fred jumps into the pond and swims away. Tony is still waiting for Fred to come back. Don't you think Fred was clever? Now children, Tony still waits there thinking that after washing himself, Fred will come back. But children, do you think Fred will come back? No, Fred won't come back. With his intelligence, Fred escaped from Tony and saved his life. So, did you see how clever Fred was? So, children, what do we learn from this story? We learn that whenever you are in trouble, you should not be scared. डरना नहीं चाहिए हमें अगर हम कभी भी किसी ट्रबल में हो किसी प्रॉब्लम में हो बट you should think of some plan and try to escape from it cleverly, just like Fred. So children, the moral of the story is being clever sometimes saves your life. I hope, children, you have enjoyed the story.